tried to draw my friend. So my goal was to give him like an anime look, but in the end I did fail in that. But I did like the process and how the outcome was. So let me just say that it's my first try. Like I have never drawn from real life to like anime stylized something, but this is my first try, and from the start I really didn't know what the outcome will be, and I was confused at many points. Like I really didn't know what should I do to make it like give a better look or somewhat, but I did try, and I think I should get an appreciation for that. Yeah, no one. Yeah, but so just forget about it. So I was happy with the outcome. Yeah, I did like it, but it was not that good, that great. So first I just go with the rough sketch, and after that I just did a line art. So let me just say that I really suck at line art. I really can't draw it. So what I do is just use a pencil. It's colored pencil. I think it's a default brush in Clip Studio Paint. You can use it. It's nice. So I just use that, and after that put the base colors and some shadows, and just go with that like hours, just doing over and over and over and again. That's what I do. And that I think that was professional do, but I really don't know because I'm a professional do. I don't know a lot about drawing and painting. That's what I'm learning right now. So at the end, the best thing I really like was the line art and the rough sketch more than the finished one, because I really like messy thing. It's my personal favorite. So at the end, the colored one, I think it was not the best, but let me know what you guys think about that. I would be happy to know if you just let me know what. So in this piece I was confused at many points, like I really didn't know what to do next and what more I can do for this piece. At some point this piece had some impact on it, like the hair and the shirt, but the face really looked dull, and at the end I really didn't like it. But at the end I think the time, the hard work I invested in this piece, that's what matters. So I think it's okay for making mistakes. I can always get better. So rest of the video is just the speed paint. If you want, you can just watch it till the end, and at the end you can see the finished piece. I also have a favor that please hit the subscribe button and the like button, because this is a new channel and any support is really helpful to me, and it really does give a motivation for me to make more videos like this and more awesome art. If you guys want to see more of my art, so just please hit the subscribe button. It will really help me a lot. So that's it for today, and see you in the next video. Bye.